Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 31, where I'm talking FHA appraisal changes. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 31, and I'm talking FHA appraisal changes. In a prior video, I talked about the FHA changes, and today, September 14th, 2015, is when these changes become effective. The new HUD handbook becomes effective for any case number pulled on or after today, September 14th, 2015. And in a prior video, I went over FHA changes in general. This video, I'm focusing specifically on changes to appraisals. First and foremost, FHA has decided that they want to use the word observation instead of inspection. And at first I thought to myself, you know, FHA just wants to sound fancy. But it makes sense that they're calling their appraisals observations, probably to distinguish from other types of inspections where somebody comes out and inspects the property, home inspection, pest inspection, those types of things. So I'm vibing with their new verbiage on that, where they're going to call appraisals observations. So anyhow, a few of the changes to the appraisals, they're saying in there that utilities must be turned on, and if they are not, the appraisal is going to state it is subject to those things being turned on, which means they're going to come out and re-inspect, or using their new verbiage, re-observe. Who knows? Another thing that I was reading in there is that all appliances must be observed. There's that word again, whether functional or not. And if the appliances are in the house, it's assumed that they're part of the transaction, so they must be functional. A downward facing pipe must be present on all hot water heater pressure release valves. My apologies for reading. I can't memorize all this stuff. There's too much guidelines. So every once in a while I've got to have notes. So my apologies for looking down. And another one, complete visual inspection of the attic and crawl space is required. So if there's any type of crawl space or attic, they're going to have to be visually inspected or observed by the appraiser. There's a list and there's more, but the bottom line is FHA is in a constant flux, constant change, and they're always coming out with new guidelines. As either a realtor or a buyer, even a seller, it's good to be in contact with a loan officer who's keeping up to on this type of stuff. So in that vein, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. I'm reading this 800-page FHA document, daily, so I can stay updated and provide you better service. So Matt the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 31. Feel free to reach out with any questions. I'm always available. Take care.